Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced developer looking to expand your skills, learning web development is more accessible than ever. In today's video, I'll be sharing my top 5 websites where you can learn web development for free. Ready to start your learning journey? Let's dive in. First up is freeCodeCamp. It's one of the best platforms for learning web development. With over 10,000 tutorials and interactive lessons, you can master HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even full stack development, all for free. It also provides projects that helps you build a strong portfolio. Next on the list is MDN Web Docs by Mozilla. This resource is a goldmine for web developers. Whether you are learning basic HTML or advanced JavaScript, MDN provides in-depth documentation and guides. It's perfect for developers who want to understand web standards and best practices. Third on the list is Codecademy. Codecademy offers interactive coding lessons that allows you to learn by doing, from HTML and CSS to JavaScript and Python. Codecademy provides a variety of courses, both free and paid. The free version gives you access to the basics of web development, while the pro version offers career paths and certifications. Another is W3 Schools. Known for its simplicity and easy to understand lessons, W3 Schools offers tutorials on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and much more. The interactive code editor is perfect for practicing as you learn. It's a great resource for beginners. Finally, we have Coursera. While many Coursera courses are paid, you can actually audit web development courses from top universities for free. It's a great way to learn from experts in the field, and some courses offer certifications you can pay for later if you choose. And that's it. 5 awesome websites where you can learn web development for free. Whether you are just starting out or looking to enhance your skills, these platforms offer a wealth of resources. Be sure to check them out and start coding today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What's your go-to platform for learning web development? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.